Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pair a Bluetooth device to your Windows PC step by step. Whether you're connecting headphones, a mouse, a keyboard, or a speaker, Windows makes it easy to connect Bluetooth devices. So let's get started. First, make sure the Bluetooth device you want to connect is turned on and set to pairing mode. Next, on your Windows PC, click the Start button and open Settings. Then select Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now click Add Device. In the window that appears, select Bluetooth. Windows will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. When your device appears in the list, click on its name. If prompted, confirm the pairing code or click Connect. Wait a few moments while Windows completes the connection process. Once connected, you'll see a message confirming that your device is ready to use. You can verify the connection by checking the Bluetooth devices list in Settings. If your device doesn't appear, make sure it is still in pairing mode and try searching again. And that's it. You've successfully paired a Bluetooth device to your Windows PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.